PGTRB practice paper, education practice paper 5. Which of the following educationalists followed naturalism in his philosophy? Tagore. Social change means all are correct. Adaptability by man according to the environment, change in aptitude, change in beliefs. Tamil Nadu Agricultural University is located in Coimbatore. Modern innovation method in present education system is micro teaching. Main reason for drops in rural school is poverty. Main objective of education is behavioral changes. Suitable system of education for whom wanted to study while he is working. Open University. Psychologist who belongs to Switzerland is Piaget, which is considered as most useful teaching machine. All are correct. Name of the university located at Salem, Periyar University. Analytical thinking and thinking of future are developed in adolescence period. Which education system gets much attention by both state and central government? Value education. Objective of value education is reduce to delinquency among youth, eradicate the violence mood of youth. Both A and B are correct. Which one of the following is written by Rousseau? Social contract. Responsible person for the development of students in school is class teacher. Best environment for learning is free and liberal system. Number of concept of teaching as per Aurobindo's education system is 3. Nobel Prize for Literature won by Tagore. Fine arts includes dance, music, arts, all of the above. Basic education of Gandhiji was opposed because it insists Varna system. Period in which language skills are developed among children is 2 to 7 years. Observation, learning by doing. Play, way, learning and learning by detecting are the educational system of Rousseau. Our Indian Constitution insists that compulsory primary education should be given up to the age of 14. Major problem of education in rural areas in India, all are correct. Poverty, stagnation, dropouts. Who introduced noonday meal system first time in Tamil Nadu? Kamaraj. The aim of the modern education system will be providing job opportunity to teachers, developing all the skills of the students. Name of the book in which our Tamil Thai Valthu was taken from is Manonmaniyam. Our national language as per our constitution is Hindi. Apex body which controls the admission of engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu is Anna University. National Book Trust is located at Delhi. Child learns by sensory and physical movements at the age of 0 to 2 years. Inventor of instrumental conditioning theory is Skinner. The Progress of Arts and Science was written by Rousseau. Who advocated joyful society? Russell. Who among the following is considered as great mathematician? Russell. Modern concept of education is all are correct. Student based education, work experience, social oriented education. Basic element that develops the individually of the student, of the child is both A and B are correct. Heredity and the environment. Kindergarten schools are suitable for dash age group children from age 3 to 7. In dash level, vocational education is provided in India, higher secondary level. Meaning of kindergarten is children's park. Age of child that plays games with understanding their proper rules is 7 to 11 years. Keller plan, which was introduced in 1968, is a individual self-learning method. Important function of computer is all are correct: retrieving, memorizing, calculating. Programmed instruction method first introduced in the year 1950. The best university which provides distance education in India is Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU. Physical and mental challenges are high in the dash period, adolescence period, இளமை பருவம். Factor which decides the learning capacity of the student is individual differences. Rousseau explains in his book Emile about child education. Individualized instructional package is used for self-learning. Basic element of the theory proposed by psychologist Skinner is reinforcement. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.